Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to easily buy goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app and import from China without any stress. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Sawa, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how to be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to buy goods on 1688 and import from China the easy way. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on here to open your 1688 shopping app. So having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to simply search for items. There are so many ways to search for an item on 1688. Okay, one of the simplest way is to simply type the keyword of the product you are looking for. Just type it right here and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can simply click on the new right here. So when you click on new right here, this allows you to see latest product that will just upload or post from different store on 1688, just like so. Okay, so everything is going to load up right here. These are all latest goods that was just posted on the platform. So you can see some of them here are 2024, just like so. So alternatively, we can simply go back to the home page right here. Alternatively, we can make use of this camera icon right here, which allow us to upload the sample picture of the product we are looking for. And then we are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can simply scroll down just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see product load up from different store on 1688. Then you can simply choose any store right here and make your purchase direct from China. Okay, so once you are able to see a particular store to buy from, the next thing we want to do is to see how we can add the item to cart. So in this regard, I'm going to once you are able to see a particular supplier you want to buy from, the next thing you want to do is to simply click on the product link. So I'm going to click on here to open up the product link, just like so. So just like so, having opened up the product link, the next thing I'm going to do is to simply check the product picture, check the video. I can simply scroll down right here and see more from the store. I can simply scroll down also and see more product picture, just like so. Okay, the more you scroll down, the more you see the product picture. However, this depends on the number of picture that the supplier upload on their sales page. If you want to check on more product picture, you can simply use this particular icon right here to chat them up and ask for new or latest product picture or video from the factory. It's as simple as that, and they will make a video or picture available to you in the chat box. So once you are able to satisfy with the product and you want to buy easily on 1688, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So everything is going to load up just like so. And what we want to do here is to select the product by size and the quantity from this particular section right here. Okay. So I need this particular one right here, just one pieces. I'll have to come here and click on here to add one. Okay. Then I need this one right here. Then I need 3. 1, 2, 3, just like so. Then I need another product size. I need this one right here. I need just one. I need this one right here. I need just 2. 1, 2, just like so. So I need another one, just like so. I need this one right here. I need 2 pieces. 1, 2, just like so. So I need another one. I need this one right here, just 1 pieces, just like so. The next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. So payment done, successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to close this pump up. By the time I go back to my profile right here, I'll click on here to go back to my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, the product we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So just like so, we have everything right here. It's as simple as that. So this is how to buy goods on 1688 and import from China the easy way. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.